Welcome to this masterclass on how to create your online course from an aligned, authentic space. My name is Kerry Dutton. I'm the wealth coach to female entrepreneurs, and I absolutely love to mentor women in business on how to package up their genius in an online course. Online courses are such a booming industry right now, not only because the world is obviously opening up and the whole sense of being able to catch up in person is changing. So we really do need to look at ways of sharing our gifts in a bigger way. And I want to just firstly say that creating an online course does not take away the personal part of business. That is the one thing, the hack, the paradigm thought I want to break with you right now is an online course can absolutely be incredible. I'm going to share with you different ways that you can create your course and what the experience could look and feel like for you. So you know that an online course is not just an evergreen course. There are many different styles. There are many ways you can create it in a way that suits you. If you are like me, I love personal interaction, and I actually build this into my courses in accountability. And that means I get to see and talk and interact with my clients every day. And I get to mentor and coach and laser coach them on calls every week. So just know that online courses can be so much more than a pre-filmed set and forget. That if you truly want to create wealth and transformation for your clients, that creating a course that is a hybrid is such a powerful way of not only scaling your life and leveraging your time, but also giving you that passion business you've been yearning for. So let's get into it. So, what type of course would suit you? And if you've done your human design, this will definitely help you because you'll be creating this course from a knowing of what you truly are. And if you haven't done your profile, make sure you jump into the links below where I've shared Amber's details. She is a human design, beautiful mentor, and she will definitely help you get some clarity in your human design. All right. So, what course will suit your topic and audience? So, let's just go through some of the courses, the different styles, so you can determine what might suit you to start with. So, there are many levels of courses, right? Horses for courses. So, you have some courses that are little mini courses just to help with a short transformation, all the way through to the hybrid course, which is a combination of learning and coaching. That's the model that I run, the coaching and the online course hybrid. And then you've got the full coaching package, which is basically your like one-to-one mentoring with the support of some online materials or swipe files. So you can see that there is a different level of involvement. So with the evergreen course, you create it once. I create them live with the first series of clients so that I know that the content is hitting correctly, that I'm creating from a space of authentic coaching. And it's only then that I create my course when I have clients in my course. Okay. The hybrid, there's a lot more involvement. It's a higher price point. And then the full coaching program obviously has a much higher price point because there's so much more involvement. It's like a one-to-one coaching package. So, what suits you? It really depends on what time you have available, how much energy you want to put into this program. Now, you can be a course producer and produce 2 or 3 courses, and therefore your time is limited, or you could just focus on the one course and put all of your knowledge and experience into that one thing. So, I definitely recommend starting with one thing because you don't want to just start this with this scattergun approach. You really want to engage and create a very good program. So the first of the three main styles of courses, you have your mini DIY course, which is what I mentioned, an evergreen one, with some simple tips and content that anyone can follow. And basically, it's priced at a low value, but you need high volume, right? So these are priced between $7 and like $297. Okay. That's a mini DIY course. Now you can see the price point and how much like future time is put into that is like once it's launched, it's evergreen. That's the price point, $297 up to that point. The next is the transformative deep dive mentoring, which is the one I prefer because I love contact with people, but I also love scaling my business. So this level of coaching, it has a roadmap. There's practical templates and guides, and it also includes a mix of mentoring and live support. And that price point can range from anything from $1,000 to $10,000, right? So if you really feel like if you're going to be sitting in this space and really giving value, that's the course you want to create, then fantastic. You probably fast forward a few years, then there's another type of course you can create, which is a recognition certificate or practitioner course. This is now when you're taking clients, you've created a modality or a framework that you want to certify people in. And I'm going to tell you, this is probably like 10 years into your story where you'll be looking at maybe finding other people to follow your process and get certified in it. And so these clients leave with like some recognition of learning. They have established methods. It's like a business in a box. So there's a lot of energy practitioners that do create these type of courses, and absolutely it is something that you can create in the future. Just know that it does require a lot of experience and tuning up. So maybe it's something to put on, the 5-10 year plan, that maybe at some point you want to do this. But it definitely has, if you're thinking about colleges and courses, there's a lot more paperwork behind certifying and processing and getting recognition for these types of courses, especially if you want to get, recognized by your industry association. Okay, so write down what type of course do you feel called to create? And this is the first step, is getting clear on where exactly you want to sit. Because once you create that, then we have a roadmap for you to follow. So the next steps to take from here are quite straightforward when you know what your end result is. So I hope this has really helped you get some clarity in the different types of courses and coaching. And I would love you to put your comments down in the comments of which one you feel inspired to create. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, because I do have more videos on how to launch, how to create courses, and also how to create your whole package from an inspired state. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.